Hello and welcome to Stamp Simply Clear Stamps. This is a quick tutorial on how to use our stamps if you've never used them before. Our stamps are made from a high quality photopolymer material and they are proudly made right here in the USA. When you get your stamps, they will come in our packaging, and to remove them, you're going to turn them over and open them up from the back. Then you will slide out your stamp set. You'll notice that we always will put our name and the name of the stamp set on our packaging so you can keep track of what you have. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to peel off this plastic backing sheet. And if this is the first time you're using your stamps, you're going to want to prepare them by removing any factory residue, and you can do this by using a damp cloth. Now to use these stamps, you're going to need to have some clear blocks. And blocks come in many different sizes to accommodate the sizes of your stamps. These blocks are reusable, so once you have a few in your collection, you'll be ready to use any stamp set you buy. Now when you want a stamp, you're going to peel it off of your packaging and place it onto the acrylic block. Stamps have a natural cling to them, so you can place them on the blocks over and over again without using any adhesive. All right, so let me pull out some black ink and a piece of cardstock. When you want to ink, you're going to bring your stamp over to the ink pad and you're going to tap it into the ink. I like to move it around so I can make sure the entire stamp is covered with ink. You're going to then bring it over to your paper and you're going to press down firmly and then apply even pressure to your entire stamped image. And then when you remove your stamp, here you will have your stamped image and it is ready to be used on your project. Now we're going to need to clean the stamp, and the easiest way to clean stamps really is just by using a baby wipe, and any brand will work. And if you don't have a baby wipe available, go ahead and just use a damp cloth or even a wet paper towel. Now that your stamp is clean, we're going to remove it from the block. And then we're going to place it back on the storage sheet so you can keep all your stamps together and organized. But I'd like to add a sentiment to this image, so we're going to go ahead and ink up this Give Thanks sentiment. And one of the great things about clear stamps is they are see-through. So now that my stamp is inked up, because I can see through it, I can place it anywhere I want onto my project, and I will just stamp it directly in the center underneath the image. Once again, I'm applying even pressure, and there we have our image and our sentiment all ready to go. Thank you for watching this tutorial and have a great day. And remember to keep it simple and make it pretty. Bye.